Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.
Welcome back mga kapuso, huni sa kabuntagon nga halad sa usa ka choir nga naumol pinaagi sa paghinagalaay. Karong buntaga makaubanta ang Verbum Dei Choir. And good morning, welcome to GMA Regional TV Live mga moms and sirs. Kindly greet our kapuso this morning.
Yes, hi, good morning. My name is Marlon.
And my name is Briggs.
My name is Eliza.
I'm Neil.
My name is Fatima. My name is Lilibeth. I'm Agnes.
Yes, my name is Joy.
And I'm Rams. And my name is Mark.
Okay, unang-una mga moms and sirs, kanus-an ni naumol ang inyuhang grupo?
Our group started that was on 1997. Yeah, 1997. So like through invites, and most of us were actually friends and relatives.
How has the group grown? Kapin na sa 20 katuig ning atong choir.
Oh yes, tinuod gyud sir kay before gyud nagsugod ang choir ni abot jud mi mga 40 plus almost 50 members. And then siguro sa grasya sa nadawat nila ning nanagid mi daghang na professional nagsugod sila like Fatima nagsugod sila din second year high school for si estudyante so karon nang abroad kana na may medtech na may pharmacist na may mga daghanang professional sa members.
Unsay natabang sa musika sa pagpaligon sa inyuhang grupo?
Individually, we truly love music ba. So that's why we nagkapundok mi, nagkayosam because of music and because of our not just passion and love sa music but also our faith. Our faith and our willingness to serve.
Finally, ato ang mensahe ato sa atong mga kapuso nga nagtan-aw karong buntaga.
Is a choir member, right? So since na may gingono nga we pray twice when we sing. So this is our way of service to the Lord and giving back of what the Lord has done in our lives. You know, so we came from different walks of life. So young professionals, lola, nanay mga moms, single moms and whatnot. But still, we are gathered in one mission, one vision, and one goal, right? Just to praise and give thanks to God. So sa tanan, no? For all the years, and right now we are still claiming it.
Daghang kayong salamat mga moms and sirs for sharing your time and talent with us this morning. Once again mga kapuso, ang Verbum Dei Choir 3. Ug mobalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.
Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.